how to add a privacy policy page on GoDaddy. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a page specific for the privacy policy into your website on GoDaddy. So what we're going to do is to head over GoDaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over the account of ours. So once we have the account ready, what we're going to do is basically to select either the website, or we can go ahead and create another website for free and have the page added normally. But in our case, you can go ahead and add a page, but it is going to be only for the specific plans that you're going to have. So if you're going to add a page, it is going to be demanded for you to have a premium plan. And this is unfortunate in my case. So we are going to click on edit website. This is the dashboard of the website that we have selected. Wait for a few seconds and we're going to see the website. Now, if I'm going to add a page, like I have said, you cannot add a page. It is going to be a premium feature. But if you're going to have a privacy policy like me, I have created a link to it. It is going to be a section. So you can go ahead and have a section and add it just like that. So you're going to find this type of sections into the section menu. So I'm going to delete this real quick and we're going to add it from scratch. Now, we're going to click on the add button, click on add section. And from here, we're going to type in on the search privacy, just like that. And you're going to find privacy policy. We're going to click on add. This is the free method that I am going to show you. And you can go ahead and have the title, the text that you're going to add it right here. So you can go ahead and add your text and put it just like that. Now, what can I do for this section is to put it at least at the end. So I can go ahead and have it at the end of the website or nearly the end of it. And this is unfortunate because I would like to add it as a page, and here you have it. Now, how we can link it to the site navigation and add it in a link, let's say here a point. So you can go ahead and have the plus button clicked, click on link to external page or to a section on a page, and then we're going to select the page, which is going to be the home, and the section is going to be the privacy policy. Type in privacy, for example, policy, just like that. Boom. And we are going to create link. So this is it. It is going to be considered as a link. And in some cases, if you have created a website already on the GoDaddy account of yours, you can go ahead and head over the products. Maybe it is going to work on some websites because I have remarked or noticed that I have a website that has or contain 3 pages. I'm going to let you see this. So we are going to wait for it. And normally we are going to click on edit site. Just like that, wait for it, and you're going to see that we have them into this page. So I think that this is the privacy policy page. It is going to be a hidden page. So you can go ahead and have another website and you can toggle the privacy policy page and also sections from the first, let's say here, editor or the page adder and also section selector. You're going to add them from there, and here you have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.